Question 1. Could you tell me a little about yourself? My name is Claudia Lorena Madrid. I am a technologist in production management and a nurse. During my studies, I have worked sporadically to cover my expense and thus contribute to the family economy. I have worked in the area of personnel quality for more than 6 years. My role was to enable the health service of the clinic and to audit evidence that is it complete with according to the current regulation in each process. I recently worked setting up a new headquarters in the municipality of Dos Quebradas, the radiotherapy center, generating comprehensive care. The truth is that I really like what I do, helping to obtain better results in quality and service authorized by the Health Service of each department where we have office is quite a challenge. I am interested in working for you because I am passionate about integrated management system. I know that area, so it would be great to work in the area of quality and internal audit, generating security and enabling service for your company. Thank you. Bye.